Hello everybody. Let's go. We will start our lesson. Our lesson is theme. Our lessons is assembling a wardrobe for a dress. For group PL 9 HT 9 P. Today is the date 31st of the March to 2020. Now, today we will learn about how we can assembling the wardrobe, and we have new words: wardrobe and scarf, dress and laminate, cutting machine, edge, box. We have bilingual lessons today. We'll use bilingual. They are trilingual. They are Russian, English and Kazakh. Now we'll learning how we can construction our wardrobe, and there we have some plans for the wardrobes. Step 1: planning schemes and drawings with the dimensions. The development of the first part of the project will not be difficult and will not take much time. Now there are already made drawings and diagrams that need only to be adapted to a specification situations. There are interesting ideas for the small room, which is very important for many. There are several popular schemes in total: corner liner, D and U-shaped schemes, parallel designed wardrobe options. Also, we have in Russian some of the details. Name, for example, щит боковой, щит горизонтальный, полка, дверь, зеркало, штанга. And we can also watch next. For example, we have this, how we can use in this wardrobe by the what happened today. We have some problems in our internet sets. There we have in English these sites. We can decor my home, the site's name, and we can also use how to make a dressing room with your own hands, types of the design, installation and decoration. There we have content process of the dressing room. In what case it is impractical to make a dressing room. Materials: drywall dressing room, wardrobe made. Our seems this wardrobe made of room. Yes. So, what girl doesn't dream of more capacities storage for the clothes and the shoes? There we have a lot of some another pluses. Wardrobe will allow you to remove bike wardrobe from the apartment. This will facilitate the visual perception of the space. There will only be light furniture. This light, yeah, we have on front our room. Also, there we have we will use there we have drywall furniture solution is based on frame will arise the completion structure. After the system sampling, you will need to carefully deal with the finishing work. For the arrangement of the utility room, and the wardrobe is also a kind of utility room. The complexity and the total cost of the project, together with the construction's work are too high and his capacity is reduced, since the durable shelf made of drywall will be at least 5 semi-thick. Okay. Also, wardrobe made of wood will use the wood. There is no guarantee that the clothes in the dressing room may be wet. Excess moisture will lead to messiness. A wardrobe made will allow you to remove excess moisture. Even painted wood has pores. It can pick up excess moisture from the air. There we have laminate. Laminate is a good substitute for wood, but you can take both particleboard and chipboard. Plywood wardrobe are often found. There we have some questions. Step number 1. Planning schemes and drawings with the dimensions. The development of the first part of the project will not be difficult and will not take much time. We read our presentation. Now there are ready-made drawings and diagrams. There are several popular schemes in total: corner, liner, D and U-shaped schemes, parallel designs. The first, we must planning what wardrobe we will make, but the corner, and you considering the drawings, pay attention to the dimensions. Design is based on how large the area. The most comfortable and standard are rooms with an area for 4 meters and 2. It is such a room as that quarter, maybe 4 meter quarter. It's such a room that will perform its original functions of storing things. So corner wardrobe. You can say planning the corner wardrobe there. Also you can planning this structure with a picture. You can planning by the corner. Liner constructions. This location is a convention to use near the walls. You can see in the design process it must be taken into account that the optimal depth of the dressing room is 1 and 5 meter. Then L and U-shaped design. If you look at the sketch, you can clearly see that the methods are very economical for the manufacture of the passions. It is necessary to purchase additional materials. Yes. They also use the letter P. They are good only for large and spacious rooms, but they all allow you to place a lot of clothes and efficiently fill the spaces. What are the good U-shaped wardrobes? They are highly practical and very interesting in terms of design. Due to the unusual design, you can emphasize the interior. You can get the best storage for clothes and more. Such schemes involve a large number of different boxes for small items, gloves, accessories. if you choose the right colors scheme, you get a very simple, functional and outwardly attractive dressing room. Due to the presence of functional elements, it will be very comfortable to use. There we have some of the picture. We have the U and virtual U and L and P. Parallel types. Parallel types, designing and arranging of the dressing room according to such schemes, the most simple solution. This is a popular example, often used at home by ordinary craftsmen. More often, this design can be found in the hallway and pantries. To implement the design, it is necessary to organize only a few partitions. Separate furniture sets are also used. Remember, such as schemes is good if you equip it in the entrance room, but not in the corridor. If the room is dull, you should choose another project. Step number 1: installation. Step-by-step installation instruction. First, we make the markup according to the drawing and diagrams. Second, the frame is assembling from the profile onto which the entire structure will be mounted. The main thing is in these works is accuracy. Profiles should be fixed as securely as possible. They will withstand higher loads. Step number 3. When the frame is ready, you can sheet it with a sheet of drywall, polywood or chipboard on both sides. As a result, a niche is formed in which they then hide the wiring, the lighting system. In the case of drywall, all the seams that result from them are carefully glued with a special tape and then putty. On video, do it yourself installation of a panty dressing room from drywall. Okay, everybody, we can finishing the wardrobe rooms. When the design is ready, you can proceed to the finishing work. There are several ways: finishing with a plastic panel, regular paint or wallpaper. The last option is the simplest: wallpaper. We stop it there, and we can watch some of the video by the YouTube. I prepare for you this lesson. I forget. Maybe I closed it. I can open again this, making there we have. You can write the how we built a wardrobe. Okay, let's we'll find this video. Just prepare details for wardrobe for the dresses. Also, when you will working, you must pay attention for the security, for working, planning, construction this dress work. There you can see work with each other devices, for example, drills, yeah, and polish machines. That way you must carefully work with this device. Some of the people they work with this device didn't attention for the careful. Then there we have these details will connect with each other. Then there you can see how we can make the work. For your homework, let's learn by heart new words and tell me how we can constructions the wardrobe or build a wardrobe, or you can say assembling a wardrobe in the workshop. Goodbye.